Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will review this Tesla style security special for Nissan Maxima 2016 to 2022 years. Okay, you can check the front head unit. And it comes with special harness and canvas decoder box. And this Maxima canvas decoder. And the special harness. Okay. You can check the buttons, volume, and radio. Click the radio, search the radio station. You can connect the radio on back of head unit. This knob. Next. Okay, and this Bluetooth, this home, and this AC control panel. You can connect the install head units in the car. You can control the AC information. Okay. Or if here, let me check settings. The Android settings is built in the Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect to the Wi-Fi, and when you're back home, you can let me check the ESPN. Okay, connect to Wi-Fi, and you can visit our website belsee.com. And let me check the other settings. It's software. You can check Android 11, and you can check the Android settings. About navigation, the Android 11 system. Okay. This display, and this dark or day 2 model. You can change the wallpaper. You can install wallpaper. Okay. So use video, audio, and this DSP amplifier. And their home style to home style, day and the time, and this radio you can choose North America or other location, and the language already built the other languages. Okay. And this button Bluetooth, you can enable Bluetooth from your phone and pair Bluetooth. This Bluetooth. Click search. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Below the context listing. Okay, paired. Connected. This paired Bluetooth show Bluetooth icon. Open the Bluetooth and show Bluetooth icon, and you can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. Okay, and you can stream music from your phone. Beat music. Okay, it works with Bluetooth music from your phone, and this amplifier style. Okay, this DSP already built in DSP. This car auto for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. And music. Plays from USB or storage. Okay, this is DSP amplifier. Okay, this music and video. You can play the video from head unit. There no video. You can install it internal or USB. USB no video. This car settings. Original amplifier settings. Built in the Google Map. and you can install other maps in the Play Store. It's built in the Play Store, Google Play Store. It's way there. This APK installer. And this is our website, belsee.com, belse.com, and latest header unit. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website and connect to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.